When you think of aviation, one name soars above the rest: Boeing. From commercial jets to space exploration, Boeing has shaped the skies for over a century. But in recent years, turbulence has hit hard. Crashes, production delays, and financial pressure have shaken the company's once unshakable reputation. So, what's really going on with Boeing Co., and can it rise again? Let's take off into the story of one of America's most important, and controversial, companies. The origins of flight. Boeing's story begins in 1916, when William Boeing, a timber entrepreneur, built his first seaplane in Seattle. What started as a small experimental project quickly became a pioneer in aviation manufacturing. Throughout the 20th century, Boeing revolutionized flight, producing legendary aircraft like the 707, the 747 jumbo jet, and the 787 Dreamliner. Each model pushed the boundaries of distance, safety, and passenger comfort, turning Boeing into a global symbol of technological excellence. Boeing didn't stop at commercial aviation. It became a cornerstone of U.S. defense and space programs, building satellites, missiles, and spacecraft. From World War II bombers to NASA's Apollo missions, Boeing was at the heart of American aerospace innovation. The golden era and corporate transformation. By the early 2000s, Boeing was flying high. It had merged with McDonnell Douglas, expanded its defense division, and maintained dominance alongside its European rival Airbus. Its 787 Dreamliner, introduced in 2007, symbolized the future: lightweight carbon fiber materials, improved fuel efficiency, and next-gen avionics. The company's stock reflected that optimism. Investors viewed Boeing as a stable long-term growth engine. But soon, turbulence hit. The 737 MAX crisis between 2018 and 2019, two tragic crashes involving Boeing's 737 MAX shook the world, killing 346 people. Investigations revealed design flaws and internal pressures that prioritized speed and cost-cutting over safety. The result: a global grounding of the 737 MAX fleet, billions in losses, and a deep stain on Boeing's reputation. The company's leadership faced congressional hearings, lawsuits, and criminal probes, forcing a complete culture shift within Boeing. Then, just as it was preparing for recovery, the COVID-19 pandemic grounded the aviation industry, leading to record losses and production halts. The financial picture as of 2025, Boeing's stock trades around $180 to $200, far below its 2019 peak of over $440. Revenues hover near $78 billion, with slow but steady recovery as global air travel rebounds. The company carries more than $45 billion in debt, accumulated during the crisis years, but strong demand for new aircraft, especially from Asian markets, is fueling optimism. Recent data shows airlines like Ryanair, Emirates, and United placing massive orders for 737 MAX and 787 models, signaling renewed confidence. On the defense side, Boeing remains a key player, producing the F-15EX fighter jet, KC-46 tanker, and contributing to NASA's Artemis moon missions. The future of Boeing's comeback plan centers on three pillars: rebuilding trust, focusing on safety, transparency, and engineering quality; sustainable aviation, investing in biofuels, hybrid engines, and carbon-neutral aircraft; global expansion, especially in Asia-Pacific, where passenger growth is expected to double by 2040. But challenges remain. Airbus continues to outperform Boeing in commercial deliveries, and new competition from China's COMAC could disrupt the market in the next decade. Still, Boeing's brand, infrastructure, and defense ties give it an advantage that's hard to replicate. So, can Boeing truly soar again? If it continues to innovate, rebuild trust, and adapt to the future of aviation, yes, it can. But investors and passengers alike will be watching closely. Because when Boeing flies high, the whole world's aviation industry rises with it. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis useful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you think Boeing can regain its crown over Airbus?